Hello friends, this video is for the nurses who are preparing for staff nurse competitive exams. This is part 2. Let's begin. Largest volume of air that can be expelled from the lungs during maximal expiration is known as expiratory reserve volume. Next, identify versus role confusion is the task of which stage of development according to Erickson? Adolescent. Incubation period of leprosy. Incubation period of leprosy is average 5 years. Leprosy, also called Hansen's disease, caused by Mycobacterium leprae. Next, primarily which people suffer more with silicosis disease? Option A, occupational workers. Option B, health workers. Option C, mechanical workers. Option D, none of the above. The right answer is option A, occupational workers. Silicosis is a form of pneumoconiosis resulting from inhalation of silica dust. Learning takes place when there is change in behavior, sum total of all activities, organization of learning experience, assessment of performance. The right answer is option A, change in behavior. This answer is according to definition given by Murthy. The definition is learning is any relatively permanent change or modification of behavior that is a result of practice or experience. Next, choice of treatment for physiological jaundice: exchange blood transfusion, phototherapy, oxygen therapy, antibiotic therapy. Phototherapy is a choice of treatment for physiological jaundice. Phototherapy is most commonly used treatment for reducing high bilirubin level that cause jaundice in newborn. In phototherapy procedure, baby exposed to a special light that is absorbed by the baby's skin. Next, which of the following is the earliest sign of hydrocephalus in a 2-week-old infant? Sunken eyes, high-pitched shrill cry, increased in head circumference, bulging anterior fontanelle. The right answer is option D, bulging anterior fontanelle. Hydrocephalus is a condition in which an abnormal accumulation of CSF occurs within the brain. In babies, it may be seen as a rapid increase in head size. Vater stiff position is seen in Bell's palsy, facial palsy, Erb's palsy, congenital dislocation of hip. The right answer is option C. Vater stiff position is seen in Erb's palsy. In Vater's stiff position, the arm hangs down with the hand turned backwards. Erb's palsy, also known as Duckman's palsy, it is a paralysis of the arm caused by injury to upper group of arms main nerve, specifically the nerve roots emerging from C5 and C6 spinal segment of neck. Most common cause of Erb's palsy is dystocia. Dystocia means difficult birth, typically caused by a large or avactly positioned fetus, by smallness of the maternal pelvis, or by failure of the uterus and cervix to contract and expand normally. Next, all of the following are misery of central tendency except mean, median, mode, variance. Option D, variance is the right choice. Mean, median and mode are used in the central tendency. Outermost membrane of placenta is chorion, amnion. Chorion is the outermost membrane of placenta. What is Pitaki? Blackish colored mole arising from the navi. Option B. Tiny purplish red spots visible under the skin. Option C. Purplish tiny nodules usually appearing over the feet and legs. Option D. None of the above. The right answer is option B. Pitaki is tiny purplish red spots visible under the skin. Next, the commonest presentation in case of twins is both breech, both vertex and one breech, none of the above. The commonest presentation in case of twins is both vertex, option B. Which most common symptom of hypoglycemia is experienced by diabetic client? Nervousness, anorexia, Kussmaul's respiration, bradycardia. The right answer is option A, nervousness. Loss of personal identity and wandering away from psychiatric hospital is known as fuse or split personality. Option A, fuse. Sharp instrument should not be sterilized by autoclaving, boiling, hot air oven, antiseptic solutions. Sharp instrument should not be sterilized by boiling. Brief overview of the content of a research thesis is termed as paper, concept paper, summary, abstract. The right answer is option D, abstract. Which of the following involves the injection of radioisotopes into the body? Option A, radiography. Option B, PET. Right answer is option B, PET. PET stands for positron emission tomography. Written statements outlining duties, responsibilities and work assignment is referred as job description, job evaluation, job analysis, self-appraisal. The right answer is option A, job description. Gallows traction is used for fracture shaft of femur, fracture neck of femur. Gallows traction is used for fractured shaft of femur. Gallows traction, also known as Bryant's traction, it is used for the treatment of fracture shaft of femur in children below 6 years of age or weight below 12 kg. In this traction, buttocks are slightly elevated from the mattresses. with both legs suspended vertically and 90-degree hip flexion. Which formula used to calculate body mass index? The formula is weight in kilograms upon height in meter square. Which vitamin is necessary for the absorption of calcium from gastrointestinal tract? Vitamin D is necessary for the absorption of calcium from gastrointestinal tract. Thanks for watching this complete video everyone. Please click upon the like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel for more videos.